This is JBTV, and we're here live with Stop the Violence program. We're here with one of the artists. He just came out of jail on parole. Gaza Pitney, what you got to say, sir?
Well, right now I'm come out and we're doing tune to educate the people them about the violence, to stop it and them things.
You need to stop cursing too, sir.
Well, that's what we come here to do right now, tell them to stop the cursing, the battery and all that. And I like to stop it.
Oh shit! Oh shit, is he
Yo,
dead?
shit, man. Yo, you alright, man?
Yo, I'm sorry.
What just happened? Yo, let's say this is the Open that door, man.
Yo, did you JBTV? Did you get that? JBTV? Yeah, we're live. We're live on the scene. Oh, sir, excuse me, sir. Did you see the man?
I want $5,000. Give me
Sir, did you see the man?
Man, I was texting my grandmother. I didn't see him, man. $1,000.
That's crazy, man. He's gonna die.
Give me a cheeseburger in my eye. I ain't got no insurance, man. Don't call the cops, please. Give me a fucking cheeseburger, man.
We're live, JBTV. A guy just got hit by a shopping cart and a car. He's almost dead.
Pop her. Pop her.